up grassy. Let's go look at it.
So we decided to just have like, you know, nature day today since it's a nice day. Where are we? We're on the hiking trail in Port. Excited? Yay! Let's go! So a squirrel. Oh, it went to our car. Light. Go. You can do it.
You did this before.
Go, Coco, go.
Okay, let's watch this here.
Okay. You can see squirrels? Come on, so before we can go hiking, see people over there are camping in their RV. Yay! Show it to Mama. Yippee! Hiking. Little bit of walking.
Oh,
Oh, what is it there? That's a lake. See, going into the lake. Huh? Yay! Where Coco? Nice days to do some walking. We're gonna follow Daddy. I don't know where we're going to. Better be tough, those teeny legs, okay?
We were, when me and Will was on the boat down the shore, there was like 2 people up there doing yoga.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Look at that. It's just a date. C1401. Look, I'm over here. Oh, it's nice in here. Okay, you stay over here, okay? This is our walking path. Yeah. It means you walk over there.
Then that's the bicycle path.
Is this that Tennessee River? Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. You could a butterfly.
There's a squirrel.
Squirrel. What else did we saw? Bird.
Yeah, look like bird. Or you find a jungle boy.
Jungle boy. Big jungle boy. Tarzan. It's flying away. Come on over here. Go. Just hold on and be careful. You can do it. Go. Yeah. Take your time. Yes. Yay. It's right here. Come on. Oh, throw it. Oh, look. Where is it? Squirrel. Look, let's see if he's gonna get it. He's hiding. Okay, so we are here. No, it's not. Peace log. Going to the safari. Yeah. This is like we're only in the car, right? Okay. Look, no, we're gonna be inside the car, and then the animals are gonna come, and you can touch it. Where are we going first? There's a reptile house. Are these like reptile garden this way? Welcome Harmony Park. Dun dun dun. Looks like
Look, Jurassic Park.
oh, the
it's
Jeep.
Park. Look at this thing.
Huh? Oh my gosh.
What is that?
Electric zebra car. Looks like an abandoned zoo. Oh well, there's a car. Look, look, look! A big squirrel! Yay. Oh my god. Yeah, probably. Look, dinosaurs. Say ma.
Oh, look.
What? Oh my god.
Look, Chris.
Look, oh man, look, there's some carabaos.
Ostrich.
Is that ostrich, babe? What's this?
Yeah.
Emu? That's not ostrich.
This is.
Oh, oh. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, it's going your way.
Mom! Look!
Yeah.
Lights!
Babe, I don't.
Pass your lock!
Babe, can you put my little window? I don't want this big bird on my face.
Mom, look!
Mm-hmm.
Bike!
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Saw a horse in your face.
Ostrich!
Ostrich. You know all your animals, huh?
Yeah, Mom, I see ostrich.
Keep from Shrek.
Where's the donkey?
Aww.
Donkey.
Hi, dear. Hi.
Oh,
Oh, look, we're gonna see the zebra. Come here. Come here. Hi. Oh. Hi.
Somebody was gonna car.
Spit.
No, not spitting.
May bite you. Oh my god, it's beautiful.
That's another
He's
one.
like, oh, yeah, I don't have food.
I like goatee.
Mom,
Hi, goatee.
Mom.
Hi, goatee.
Oh, over there.
Zebra. Hey. Hi. It's like amazing because the first time it's really like so close. I like the zebra. Look, Presley. Look, it's waiting on you. Oh, the giraffe. Hey, giraffe. How are you?
How far? How close is it?
It's super close.
Good look. Good look. Go look at the giraffe with mommy.
Giraffe. Don't have food eh. Extinct. It's extinct.
Look, these antlers on this one.
Oh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's a sharp, pointy antlers. Hey dear. Baby dear, come here.
Mary.
Go. You afraid? You are so babe, I don't like. Hey, your window. Babe! I feel like, oh
Well,
man.
look at dust tornado.
Oh yeah, there's a tornado. Oh, look. Oh, look, they're running. Huh? Babe.
What's that? Camel?
I don't know. Oh, camel. Look at the camel.
Mom, what you put in the tomato?
Look at the camel, Coco.
This one looks mean.
Babe.
Ah!
Oh, look, there's a giraffe again. Hey,
And wet.
giraffe.